Okay, this ought to be simple. Overhand knot. Eye of the hook. Now, back through the overhand knot the way the line comes out, the tag end comes out. You get to pick the size of your loop. So far, so good. A half hitch coming back onto the overhand knot. That's it. I'll do it with a bigger line in case that wasn't easy enough to see. Overhand knot through the hook. Again, back through the overhand knot the way it comes out. Do you see? So you're not going through the back side of the overhand knot. And then this is just a simple half hitch back onto the overhand knot. And that's it. That's the simplest loop knot. Tried and true, time tested, works on everything.